What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching today. Now, I have this beautiful glossy black wheel here. From a glance, it looks good, but from a professional detailer's stance, if you get to looking a little bit closer, let me show you the things I'm looking at here. See all those little dots? Yeah. It's crazy. Look how good it looks. And then you get close, you see what I'm talking about. All those stains. Yeah, we got to get all that taken care of. So I've tried all sorts of cleaners. I've tried everything, and that stuff will not come off. I've tried iron cleaner. The only thing I haven't tried is like an acid wheel cleaner, but I don't want to ruin these wheels. I want to keep them looking as nice and original as possible. So the secret to really getting these things clean is a good old clay bar and some clay lube. Let me tell you what, I just been using this and a bottle of like dish soap basically in water. It is amazing. So check that out right there. Now let me show you what this sucker is going to look like right after I clay it. So what I basically do is I spray the whole wheel down. I clean it first, actually, because you want to get all that loose dirt off, which I've cleaned these wheels like 10 times. They still will not get all these little pieces that I'm getting off now. But so you just take that clay, make sure everything stays wet. I mean, you just get all sorts of dirt, and you can feel at first how rough the surface is, and then once you clay it, I think it's picking. Look at that dirt. You see that? It just pulls it out. It's awesome, and you make the surface so smooth because you're just pulling out all those micro. You know, all that micro dirt, I guess, or embedded dirt. Look at that. Got 'em. And then once I'm done, you know, I'm gonna polish the wheels and all. But you want to take your rag and get, because you can see how that soap is turning brown from all the dirt it's extracting. So it is time consuming, but once you get it all, it's worth it because it looks good and it gets the result you're looking for. I got a little bit more there. I just gotta hit that spot better, but it's coming good. Now look at that. There's a lot of lint on there, so I think that's what you're seeing. This stuff works amazing. I couldn't get anything else to clean it. Yeah, I gotta clean all that lint off, but watch. There's a little bit right there that I have to get. And then on the inside, as you can see, like, this is a really nice rim, but there's all sorts of, that's not just dirt. Like, you could wash that and it's not coming off. But as you can see over here, let me show you. Sometimes I'll just go back and forth, side to side, and look at that. It just picks that stuff right up. So, you know, usually I focus on one little spot. I mean, look how dirty that gets. And then I'll kind of roll the ball up. I should be using more lube, but I'm trying to film. I mean, that stuff, it just works amazing. Let me dry it up here, and we'll take a look. I mean, that's way better than it was. You can actually see the shine. I mean, you can on some of it, but look at that. way better. So let me go ahead and get this whole thing done and we'll see what she looks like. Check that out. That's after me washing this rim 5, 6, 7 times with all sorts of different cleaners. And look at that. It just picks that stuff right up. That's your answer right there. Clay bar. I wanted to show you this obvious line here. So I've been cleaning just here. Look at that. Look at the difference. Look at it's crazy. Awesome. Awesome results.